How to fix Minecraft Microsoft account if something went wrong. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to fix the 401 something went wrong error when logging into Minecraft with your Microsoft account. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open a Minecraft launcher. Click on your profile in the top right and choose Sign Out. Then, close the launcher, reopen it, and sign in again with your Microsoft account. Step 2. Clear cache. Now let's clear the launcher cache. Press Windows and R and type this. Now press Enter. Delete the folders called Web Cache, Web Cache 2, and Web Token Cache. Step 3. Use the Xbox app to reconnect. Open the Xbox app on your PC and sign in with the same Microsoft account you used in Minecraft. This helps sync your credentials. Then go back to the launcher and try logging again. Step 4. Reset Microsoft Store Cache. To reset the Microsoft Store Cache, press Windows and R and type this and hit Enter. A black window will appear and close, waiting for Microsoft Store to reopen it automatically. Step 5. Update and test again. Finally, open the Microsoft Store. Go to Library and click Get Updates. Make sure Minecraft and Xbox apps are up to date. Then, try opening the Minecraft launcher one more time. And that's it. That's how you fix the 401 something went wrong login issue in Minecraft. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.